Dr. Manny, I'm really curious if there is a difference between the types of solar panels that we use here on Earth and how well they work versus the solar panels that we put on spacecraft like the International Space Station or satellites.
Yeah, so the terrestrial panels are different from the space panels. In the space panels, you have to deal with high temperature swings and also high energy particles. The good thing about space is there is no big variation in the intensity of the sunlight, because it is in the space. All the variation, the cloud, all those things comes only in the terrestrial side. So, where we have lots of changes in the irradiance, and also we have the humidity here, and you do not have that kind of problem there. So, you have a different challenges in space. The delta T is different, and you have high energy particles in the space, but here we do not have high energy particles, but we have lots of variation in intensity, and spectrum also changes. In the space, spectrum does not change. Here the spectrum changes because of the air mass, because early in the morning the spectrum is different from the sunlight in the middle of the day. So, the spectrum changes here, in the space it does not change. There are few differences, but from reliability point of view, the space panels may be more challenging than here, because there you got to deal with very high temperature swings.
Very high temperature swings, and then you said the high energy particles are also a challenge.
Right, right.
Thank
That's
you.
correct. Yeah.
This is great.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.